Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to hide apps from app library on iPhone. First of all you have to do is long press any application that you want to hide on your iPhone and then click on require face ID. Once you click on it, more options will appear. You will see require face ID and hide and require face ID. To see that option, you have to make sure that your iPhone must be updated to the latest iOS 18 version. So if you are an iOS 18 version user, then you will see this option and all you have to do is tap on hide and require face ID. Once you click on it, your app will be now hidden from your app library and you cannot see this application anymore. You can do this with many apps as you want. The app that you have just hidden will not be showing anymore in the Siri suggestions or the search of iPhone or anywhere else. To see your hidden application, you have to swipe all the way to the right to the app library and you have to scroll down all the way to the bottom. From here you will see a section called hidden apps. You have to click on it. Once you click on it, it will maybe ask for your face ID to check if it's really you or not. Once you have scanned your face, then you'll be able to see the application that you have just hidden, and that's how to hide applications on app library on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.